Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? So this here is Craftsman corded blower vacuum and a mulcher also. So you can use it as a blower to blow away dust or leaves. You can also use it as a vacuum. So maybe after assembling some products that you want to vacuum, you can use it as a vacuum. So it's going to vacuum it and store it on this bag right here. And it can also work as a mulcher. So that is when you have the contents that you have in this bag, you can use it as a distributor, be in whatever field or whatever area that you are going to distribute it on. So this one is a 12 ampere, so 12 ampere rating, and the capacity for this is 450 cubic feet per minute, I believe. Yes. All right, then we have, so on the blower it's 260 miles per hour. Miles, or yeah, I believe that's 250 or 260 miles per hour, or that is the speed of the wind on the blower. And the contents that it comes with, so we have the machine right there, and it's coded. Okay, you have the coding. So this one you have to get a cable. So you'll have to get a cable like this. You're going to insert that right there. So maybe one advantage with this one is that you can you get continuous power. If you can compare it to the battery powered blowers, which maybe after a while you have to charge them. But one disadvantage of this is that the distance of mobility becomes reduced. So it depends on the length of the cable, and the more you add cable, sometimes there may be problems that may arise later. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have that one right there. That is part of the extension of the blower or the vacuum unit. Okay, and you have the mulching bag right there. This is where you store the contents from the vacuuming. I believe that goes along with that. Oh, all right. Then we have the manual. Okay. So you can read the manual to see what you can do with these, and it's always good to read the manual. Okay. So I'm going to test this and show you what it does and its effectiveness. Hang on. And now to use it as a blower, so the first thing that you have to do is always read the manual, that is to ensure safety and to get some instructions that are not clear. And this is the blower unit. We have this tiny duct that is going to act as a blower, or the blower section. So we're just going to insert it right here on the mount, on the spot. We have the upper section. Bring it right there. Just go ahead and press it, compress it. So this is what holds it in place. So once you are done that, let's go ahead and insert the cable and power it on. And now to use it as a vacuum, so the first thing that you do is to make it easier, join these two parts right here. That is, you have the two of them. So just go ahead and insert it with these sides facing each other. Okay. Alright. So once you have the two of them in place, so the next thing is to just pull it back. Pull it back and swing these in the anti-clockwise direction and lift it. So you refill the van, and now take the other part, that was this one right here. You can insert it. This point. So you have this point right here on there. Then swing it around. Alright. So it's going to be that way. Now you're going to take off this one. So just pull it in, take it out. This one goes. So the vacuum bag goes in place of that. Alright. You have the machine in place. So next thing is to put this in your bag. Okay, and you're good to go. So you're going to after that your bucket. Now time to vacuum things. So when using this, be careful not to vacuum stones, since you have the van that is meant to chop the leaves. So be careful not to vacuum hard objects that may destroy your van. That is going to affect the blowing, the blower performance. So be careful when vacuuming objects. That is the point. So that is the machine, and as you've seen, it does a wonderful job. So what I can say at the end of the day by using that machine, there are two aspects that that came up on my side, and that is the aspect of mobility. And with that, if you're working on a large area, I think that is going to affect you. You may need to get another machine that will be more mobile than this one, since at one point you saw that I had to add more cable for me to be able to access a greater lens. Another aspect that came up is the aspect of the fan working as a blower and as a chopper for the mulch. So with that, I think the performance of this machine is going to reduce over time, since there is wear and tear. By it being a chopper, it's going to be worn over time, and it's not going to meet the role of being a blower and at the same time being a vacuum. So but the final decision will depend on you. If you want to get the machine within the aspect of capacity that it can carry, in case you have material in a heap, it can really do a good job. And also in terms of speed, it delivers really good air blow, and it can really do a good job for you. So go ahead, and I hope this video gives you a hint of what you're trying to do with the machine, or you're just here to learn. Thank you too for watching. So guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel, Bryos DIY. Thank you.